This is that 2011 Impreza we're working on. Door panel. There's one screw up here, one up here, two right here. These guys need to go. 1, 2, 3. Those guys are out of the way. This door panel is broken right here, so it sucks. Can't sell it unless somebody wants one. Oh, take this guy out. Make sure that this guy goes sliding this way, because you have this, or else it will break. Same thing if you had a speaker in here. These all come pre-wired, so if you want to buy some speakers, you can pop them in, they'll work. Here's the wiring for the speakers. Okay. Now since that's out of the way, I can grab the door panel right here and just give it a little jolt. Loose, slide up and over. Then these two cables right here, these two guys, literally just snap, snap, and they pop right out.